Hello, welcome to another one of my vlogs. Today I want us to get ready together for the 2025 YouTube event. But this Get Ready With Me is a little different from the others. So stay with me and I'll show you. I always pay more attention to the foundations and the essence of everything. That's why in this getting ready session, my focus is more on skin rejuvenation than on makeup and just the outward appearance. First of all, for a natural lift before the event, I rub a piece of fully ripe papaya all over my face and let it dry. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which gives the skin a kind of natural lift and is amazing for the skin. Then I wipe my face with a wet tissue and rinse it with plain water. The next step is using pure vitamin C. But here's the interesting part. I don't apply the vitamin C directly to my skin. Instead, I use a device called the Hydra Needle. This device can instantly deliver pure vitamins and serums to the deeper layers of the skin. The device itself is washable and reusable. Today, I'm making a vitamin cocktail for my skin, a combination of vitamin C and vitamin E. This way, I multiply the effects of these vitamins on my skin. You can use a combination of hyaluronic acid and any other serum you like. Just make sure that the ingredients are always pure and natural, because they penetrate deep into the skin. The head of this device has an adjustment knob, and you can change the needle length from 0.5 millimeter to 2.5 millimeters. I set the device's needles to 1 millimeter, and just like that, with very gentle pressure, the needles create tiny channels on the skin and deliver the cocktail to the deeper layers. The skin might just get a little bit red, but that goes away quickly. Did you know you can even use this device to apply filler to your lips? All you have to do is pour pure hyaluronic acid into it and press it onto your lips. It's that simple, and without any injections, your lips will look fuller. I've always said, don't neglect your hands, because keeping them youthful really affects your appearance and beauty. That's why I use the remaining cocktail on my hands. Next, it's time for the infrared light mask. If you haven't seen my video about this mask, I'll put the link in the video description so you can get to know it. This mask really has a lot of features, like different light modes, adjustable light intensity, and a timer. This mask helps reduce the redness on my face more quickly and also fades wrinkles to a great extent. After using this mask and before applying makeup, I put a plant-based moisturizer on my skin, and then I apply a full layer of sunscreen, which should be the last step in any skincare routine. Once again, I want to emphasize that you should definitely apply sunscreen to your hands, especially in the summer, because it prevents them from getting wrinkled and developing spots. All right, now let's move on to the outfit. I'm torn between these two outfits and can't decide which one to choose. It's true, one is completely summery and the other is more for autumn. The reason is that as it gets later in the evening, the weather gets much colder, so it makes sense to choose the black one. Well, the makeup part and the actual event won't fit into this vlog, so I'll be sharing them with you soon in another vlog. Be sure to remember to watch that vlog as well. It's full of exciting scenes and my meeting with the CEO of YouTube. Until then, goodbye.